Hi guys. So since Peter's in New York and I cannot, it was tough for us to get together and do the demo. I am recording this to show you what I have accomplished with changing the Sphinx plugin, the bundle to Manin Hat to the from Manin Hat to D-Locker. So I will just show you the search functionality is still working as it was. So I'm searching for red, keyword red, with no filters, and so I should see the results as I was seeing before with Manin Hat Sphinx. So I'm waiting for that. Once it displays the JSON, I will move it to the JSON Weaver, and I'll show you the Weaver version of it. And then after this, I will set the filters and then do the same search. So here are the results. Copy it, paste it, and view. So the JSON view. We search for the keyword red, and like this is wine color red, and vintage year 2010. So these are the results that came back from the server. So let's go back and put the filters. So I'm putting filters to the vintage and the price range. So I'm demoing the filters on the range and the vintage. The range takes two floats, the minimum and the maximum, and the filter vintage takes the year. So I save that and restart. Restart the server. Waiting for the Mongo to start. Okay, started. Going back to the same search. So I will keep that open and do it in the other window. So I am searching for red, and now I have two filters, which is vintage 2006 and the price range, the retail price range from I bet it was from 20 to 50 liras or dollars. Keep saying liras. And results are coming back. You can see it in the Mongo. There you go. Copy this, paste into my new JSON viewer. Now I have two results, two objects. One of them 2006 color red, 2006 color red, retail price 35, and the other one is 2006 color red, retail price 50. So if you look into the database, we have of course many 2006s, but the price range I set that from 20 to 50. That's why I grabbed 35 and $50 wines with these IDs. You can match the IDs if you want. It's ID 19972467883. It's this one, so the other one is that one. If I made the range like from 10, then it gets that. It gets this wine as well as a result. So this proves my filter is working. So the next step will be making this search wines action, creating a new one which takes the filters, so that I can actually set the filters on the Sphinx search. And there are a couple other options like set filter float range, and there's also set filter integer range. Integer range, you don't say int range, it's just range. And there's also return result limits. If unless we set the limits to any number higher than 20, we get 20 results back each time. So the API also allows here, it also allows us set limits, so we can set more than 20. And so what I have done, this completes the demo, like the visual part of it. So on the back end, what I have done is I changed from Meninhat, the vendor Meninhat Sphinx, to dlocker Sphinx search bundle. The configuration was a little different, so I had to tweak the config YML. The Sphinx search now has indexes with wines as the label and also the index name as wines. So it used to be index. This used to be TMW dash. I think TMW dash wines. Can't remember exactly, but it was different than that. So how they deal with this is it's a little different. It kind of it doesn't require, but it actually matches the label and the index name. So I had to make that configuration change in sphinx.conf in Windows, and also it needs to be done in Linux. So I made that change. I made that change, so it used to be TMW wines, and now it's wines only. And then I had to, for the filters, I had to add the retail price as the field because it was not here, and also I had to enable the attributes. Attributes are the filters. So what we do is we set the attributes for the columns that we want to do filter on. So for now I have vintage, country, color, primary grape, and the price range. I mean the retail price. So if we need to add more, we need to add more here. I think this completes. Oh, of course. Sorry, the the search action. So I did tweak this method a little bit, because it used to grab the Meninhat used to return another object. It was a specific object to that bundle, to that plugin. So, and we were going through that object to get the IDs out. So now this one, the dlocker one, returns only an array of items. So I did make the changes, appropriate changes, to get the IDs out of it. And now I'm looking for the total found. It's total found is the count of return results. And then the wine IDs, I only grab them as matched IDs. So, and then I loop through the IDs and find my wines by IDs. And IDs are actually the search IDs. So the rest of, I mean, from here down is the same when we construct the format. The response, the suggested wines response, it's the same. I did not change anything, but above here has been changed. So if you approve this, I will put the pull request in, and if not, if you want any changes to it, you should let me know so that I can change, tweak, and post it. So I think this completes my my recording, my demo. Have fun and have a good weekend, guys. Thank you.